Hi, today I'm going to talk about the lane simulation mode feature. Um, so, so far in the tutorial series, I've explained about the traditional methodology for using junctions in its traditional form, which is PICADY or ARCADY. Now I'm going to present a different way of modeling based on the lane simulation mode. So the differences between the two is the PICADY and ARCADY are mathematical models, deterministic models that assume equal flow in both lanes, assume typical, normal, traditional layouts, where the lane simulation mode is more detailed, more, I would say, kind of similar to like micro simulation. It takes into account each lane individually and assumes uneven flow in different lanes. So it also takes into account a more, I would say, abnormal layouts, and which might have spillbacks and uneven flows, on maybe some any other restrictions which cannot be modeled via the traditional PICADY ARCADY. So as a rule of thumb, if the level of depth is not needed, so best thing is to use PICADY ARCADY, especially for preliminary designs or concept design stages. But if we talk about more complicated layouts, where we have these unique entries, exits, or we have linked junctions, which will be discussed in the next episode, when the situation starts to be more complicated, it's always best to use lane simulation mode. It might take a little bit longer, but the results are more accurate and could be more representing real time situations. So just to summarize, lane simulation mode are a stochastic simulation based on individual lanes and vehicle movements, where PICADY ARCADY are the deterministic analytical modes based on streams and effective entry width. So the advantages of the lane simulation mode, it's mode for detailed design testing and also diagnostic, where analytical assumptions break down. And like I said before, PICADY ARCADY is more suitable for early stage assessment, optioneering, and standard capacity assessments. So practically speaking, in the software, there's not much you should do. You just press here, lane sim, and then these windows will pop and you can just start the simulation. And you might notice that every time you run a simulation, the results could vary a little bit. That's natural because it's based on a random seed, similar to micro simulation. But it takes into account this small variations. It's normal. So that's lane simulation. And next episode, I will guide you through linked junctions, how to link two junctions together, which can only be applied in lane simulation mode. In the traditional PICADY ARCADY, it's not possible to link two junctions together because it takes into account each junctions individually isolated. And that's another advantage of the lane simulation mode. Thank you.